Okay, so we talked about former Yugoslav Balkans, but let's talk about non-former Yugoslav Balkans. Made up of three guys, Greece, Bulgaria, and Romania. Some people argue that only part of Romania is Balkan because it's like way too far north and blah blah blah. I don't know, whatever you decide. They are all members of the EU and Schengen. However, only Greece uses the euro, whereas Bulgaria and Romania have their own currencies, the lei and the lev. However, Bulgaria is thinking of adopting the euro soon. They use their own separate alphabets. Romania uses the Latin, Bulgaria uses Cyrillic, and Greek uses Greek. All three of them are predominantly Eastern Orthodox. They have one of the strangest mountain ranges, the Carpathians and Balkans, which shaped like a backwards S, and then the Danube River ends here and it flows into the Black Sea. And there's the subcultural region of Thrace that is shared between Bulgaria, Greece, and part of Turkey. Categorically, Romanians are Latin peoples. They're some of the most easternmost Latins alongside Moldovans. Whereas Bulgarians are a little more complicated because a lot of them, it depends on who you ask, but a lot of them will say that they are Slavicized, but not necessarily Slavic, because they are descended from the Bulgars, which are a Central Asian group that came in and then they kind of mixed with the Slavs and blah blah blah. So technically Bulgarians are kind of Asian-y. Whereas the Greeks are just Greeks. I mean, if you want to get technical, kind of like from Indo-Aryan, Mycenaean migrations from agriculturalists from blah blah blah. No, if you ask the Greeks, they'll just be like, no, we are descended from Ares and Aphrodite from Mount Olympus. We are Greeks. If I could describe Romania, it would kind of be like if the Latin world was a family, Romania would kind of be like the emo goth girl sitting in the corner, just like with her headphones on and not paying attention to everybody else, but like she's also like kind of hot. Whereas Bulgaria is basically the same thing, but for the Slavic world. Like they have their own thing going on. Also, they're very famous for producing a lot of roses, rose oil, rose everything. They love their roses. And also, best yogurt in the whole world, Bulgaria. I've had it. Sorry, everybody else, Bulgaria has the best. And I know I just pissed off all the Greeks when I said that, but I have to be honest. I've tried Bulgarian, I've tried Greek. I have to say Bulgarian is better than yours. I'm sorry, Greece. Anyway, Greece, I mean, I don't even know where to begin. I mean, you guys have all heard of this guy. He's the birthplace of all Western civilization, basically. Macedonian Empire, Alexander the Great, blah, blah, blah. If I could summarize Greece, I would say he's kind of like the wise old man who holds all the secrets and mysteries of Europe in his hands, but he also chain smokes and has a gambling problem. So there you go, non-Yugoslav Balkans. Enjoy.